I was diagnosed with advanced glaucoma, and the first thing they did, of course, was to take away my driver's license, and after that I gave up business, I gave up and I retired. I took an active role in then learning all I could about computers in particular to assist me in my lifestyle. And I asked the Blind Association for assistance, and they recommended me to TADWA. I met Brian. He devised a machine for me.
I think one of the things that Darren finds most useful is the fact that we are available to have discussions and we do offer advice. We're not salespeople, we're service people.
I use a program called ZoomText which magnifies for me. The glaucoma I have has taken the vision from my right eye. The ZoomText helps me particularly though with being able to use the large pointer. The other part of ZoomText which assists me is the reader. The reader will read to me anything that is on the screen.
Its annual scientific expedition into Antarctic was unlawful, says Tokyo's envoy to International Court of Justice.
I subscribe to the newspapers, and I can spend an hour or two each day in having them read to me, and therefore I can keep up with what's going on. TADWA have certainly assisted me in the development of my use of the computer.
The way the system works here is the first point of call is our help desk. And what our help desk will do is they'll take your call and all of the systems that come through TADWA, we install remote management software. That remote management software, along with an internet connection, allows us to see the same thing that the client sees on the screen and to control their keyboard and mouse. That gives us a great insight into the type of problems that the client's seeing and an ability to troubleshoot on the fly. Darren's always a complex challenge to us, but the great thing is that with that complexity means that if we can solve it for Darren, we can solve it for any of our clients.
Like everybody else, I want to be as independent as I can. I do rely on TADWA in assisting me in making my life easier. And I'm also prepared to help TADWA develop some of these things.
Darren is one example of how TADWA Computer Services helps those people with special needs. TADWA Computer Services has over 14 years experience providing custom computer solutions. Our aim here is to provide a system that suits the individual rather than a package that you would normally buy from anybody else. Come and talk to TADWA today. We're happy to give our advice on any of the computer systems that we supply, and we'll custom tailor a package that suits your needs.